Oh, Vader and Latching.
Sligeach.
Hello, Daryl.
Hello, how are you?
We're so excited. Look at the weather.
Great, good stuff. Which one of these guys do you want rid of?
Well, it depends.
We're getting rid of one of these on the way over, are we?
One on the way over, one on the way back.
Well, it's a short trip, don't worry. You'll be
Right, are we off?
All right, so come on ahead, come on aboard. Go. Mission home.
Sean Túr Gwynnish, ag dul I dro Ilan Coney. Nach Will and I shoot a creta.
To the hallway.
Daryl, who's your man? It's not Johnny Logan, is it?
No, he's a bit of an Elvis impersonator, you know.
Oh.
Good wage for standing there all day. His name's the Metal Man. He was put there in 1821, so he's 202 years old. So he points towards safe water, so they call him the only man in Sligo never to tell a lie, apart from me. That's it.
Gcontae! What's that Jamie overboard?
Sligeach Amu!